Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shipman News. Here I am reading only newspaper articles. This is our today article. Put Pak nuclear arsenal under watch. India. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh meet troops at Badami Bagh cantonment in Srinagar on Thursday. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh cites concern over the irresponsible conduct of Pakistan. He questioned the security of nuclear arsenal and calls for its supervision by the global watchdog. He underscored India's resolve to fight terrorism and lauds armed forces for Operation Sindoor. Pirzada Ashik Srinagar wrote this article on his first visit to Jammu and Kashmir following the launch of Operation Sindoor. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh on Thursday cautioned the security of Pakistan nuclear arsenal and called for its supervision by the International Atomic Energy Agency IAEA, citing concern over what he described as irresponsible conduct by the neighboring country. Addressing soldiers at the Badami Bagh cantonment in Srinagar, Mr. Singh said, "We will never yield to nuclear blackmail. Pakistan's reckless nuclear threats have not deterred India's resolve to eliminate terrorism. I ask the global community, are nuclear weapons safe in the hands of such an irresponsible and rough nation? These weapons must come under IAEA supervision." The ministry reaffirmed India's involving stance on national security and counter-terrorism, crediting Prime Minister Narendra Modi with redefining the country's policy framework. Any attack on India's is no longer viewed as an isolated act of violence. It is treated as an act of war, he said. Mr. Singh described Operation Sindoor as the largest and most decisive action against terrorism in Indian history, referring to the Pahalgam terror attack. He added that the offensive was not only about retribution but also about asserting India's commitment to proactive defense. Terrorists targeted Indians based on their dharma. We targeted them based on their karma. It was our dharma to eliminate them, he said. He asserted that the operation had sent an unmistakable message to terrorist outfits and their handlers across the border. Our forces have demonstrated precious targeting capability, and the task of counting casualty is now left to the enemy, he said. Indigenous capability, highlighting the government push for indigenous defense capability. The minister noted that modern armed missile system, drone, and communication networks were being rapidly developed domestically with enhanced logic logistical connectivity across the line of control and line of actual control. Our forces are better prepared than ever before, he said, reiterating India's long-standing position on dialogue with Pakistan. He said talk and terrorism cannot go hand in hand. If there are to be talks, they will focus solely on terrorism and Pakistan occupied Kashmir. He also referred to Pakistan's previous commitment, including one made over 2 decades ago during the tenure of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, promising to stop exporting terror. Pakistan has deceased as inconsistently. It must dismantle terrorist infrastructure and ensure its territory is not used against India, he said. In his address, Mr. Singh extended appreciation to the people of Jammu and Kashmir for their resilience in the face of terrorism. I salute the courage of the people of this religion who have withstood the scourge of terror with fortitude, he said. Accompanying the defense minister during the visit were Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha, Chief Minister Umar Abdullah, Chief of the Army Staff General Upendra Dwivedi, and other senior officials. This is image heat and dust. A blanket of dust hangs in the sky over Karvaya Path in New Delhi on Thursday as a mirage forms on a hot afternoon. This is our daily English practice session. Now your English. K. Subramanian, S. Upender. Is there a difference in pronunciation between the noun prophecy and the verb prophecy? Yes, the cy in the noun is pronounced si as in sit, and the c c in the verb is pronounced like sing. What is the difference between impunity and immunity? Impunity means with freedom from punishment or injury. He breaks the law. With impunity, as he is related to the chief minister. Immunity Immunity is the ability to resist infection, disease, etc. He had developed immunity to criticism. He has been a politician for several decades. Is it incorrect to say he run fastly? Yes, fastly does not exist. He run fast and not fastly. How do you pronounce example? Is it is a easy example. The first E is pronounced I as in fit, X is pronounced G as in give, A is pronounced A as in path, play as in people. The stress is on the second syllable. Look who is coming. My batchmate Ramu. You mean your classmate? Batchmate is not used in British English. I belong to the 1962 batch of IS candidates. It's in British English, but batch is used with non-human reference. I have received a fresh batch of book. When you see you use it to refer to a group of people, you use the word group and not batch. But in India, batch is used widely instead of group. What is the difference between Ram should have posted the letter and Ram must have posted the letter? Ram should have posted the letter means that Ram did not post the letter. He was expected to, but he did not. Ram must have posted the letter means your conclusion is that he would have posted the letter. You have the letter to him about 2 hours ago, and you assume that by now he would have posted the letter. What is the meaning of germane? It's mean relevant to a subject under discussion. What you are saying is not germane. So to what we are discussing, the G is pronounced like the G in gentle. GER is pronounced like Ger in Germany. Many rhymes with Sen. The text is on the second syllable, published in the Hindu on July 16, 1996. This is our daily quiz session. On this day in 1996, the Chinese Communist Party Central Committee issued a circular that outlined Mao Zedong's idea on the Cultural Revolution, a quiz on that period. Radhika Santhanam made this quiz. Question number 1. In November 1965, a review of a play about a Ming dynasty official who criticized the emperor titled He Who Dismissed from Office was seen as a spark for the Cultural Revolution. Where was the review published? Question number 2. The agents of the Cultural Revolution were students. These shock troops were deployed to terrorists and prosecute those seen as enemies of revolution. What was this cohort called? Question number 3. One of the early sub-objectives of the culture revolution was to wipe out old idea, old culture, old custom, and old habit. What were these collectively known as? Question number 4. During the culture revolution, more than 20 million young people were sent to the countryside to work. Among them was a boy who was sent to a remote area in province in northern China. He earned a degree in Japanese and went to serve China's ambassador to Japan. Today he is a prominent figure in China in the world. Name him. Question number 5. During the Cultural Revolution, various techniques were deployed to reform the thought process of citizens. One of them was to publicly humiliate people who were accused of being class enemies. What was that technique called? Visual question. For 5 years during the Cultural Revolution, this place an embodiment of ancient value was closed. What is the name and which leader issued the directive to close it and to protect it by developing soldiers? This is a previous day quiz answer. Question and answer to the previous day daily quiz. From May 11 to 13 in 1998, India conducted a series of 5 nuclear tests called Operation Dash in Pokhran Shakti. During the series, the shaft for the first device was codenamed Dash, the second Taj Mahal, and the third Kumbhakaran. Answer White House. The impetus for the Pokhran 2 test were led in 1996 by A.B. Vajpayee and was delayed because he could not be contact Abdul Kalam. India's decisions on test nuclear become all but clear when it became increasingly critical of this treaty, comprehensive test ban treaty. Following Pokhran's second, Pakistan conducted multiple nuclear tests by this name on May 28 and 30, 1998. Shagai visual name this noted Pakistan nuclear physics Parvez Hubdo. So guys, this is today video. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for the more updates and more video. Press bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. Meet in tomorrow next video. Jai Hind.